Brookstone headphones, yes, another pair, and as always, Brookstone, with their beautiful, not saying anything of what the specific name of them is, I grabbed this pair because I wanted to show you guys because somehow I actually like them. I don't know why. Hands-free, wireless, up to 24 hours of battery. That part is true, actually. Not exactly 24 hours, but that I used them for quite a few days, and I haven't had a need to actually charge them. That said, let's take a look at this beautiful ribbon here that holds the box together. Let me open it up. And yes, I have already tested them myself just to see if they work. There's a tiny micro USB cable that acts as your charger. Let me put the box on the side right here. Yes, they come with books and books and books and all that stuff, and I'm gonna put the books on the side. These are the headphones, really clean and beautiful looking in my opinion. If you're looking for headphones that actually have a beautiful appearance, these are the ones, especially if you're gaming or you work as in the market or whatever that you take calls from customers and all that. These are really interesting headphones. This is your microphone, but the beauty of this microphone and what grabbed my attention was the mute button of the microphone. It's this button right here. You click it, it's on, click it again, it's off. You just mute your microphone like that and boom. Now this, I wish it was a little bit more of that kind of over-the-ear style, but I understand if you're, let's say, a trucker or a call center or customer support or whatnot from home, you would like this because you want to hear noises from around you too. And I understand that from a safety perspective as well. The other side, it's actually a soft rubber. It's not the hardy plastic that would harm you or make you really feel weird about it. They're kind of lightweight. They have some weight to them, just decent. Here are the other specs that, if I can show you on camera, would be really great. The model on these ones are BSBTH10, 5 volts, 1 amps, Bluetooth, made in China. And here on the side, you have the volume up, volume down, and the power. Now let me turn them on. Right here, there should be a light, if the camera will catch it good. As you see, I hope you can see that light blinking. Let me turn on the Bluetooth. And yes, by the way, the microphone can go in both sides, so you can put them on either ear you like. So without wasting time, since it's already blinking, let's bring my phone up and connect them to my phone, because that's what I want to actually test. Okay, here's the phone. There's a million lights, so there's not much I can do about that. Here's my Bluetooth. Let me try to reflect a little bit less. Yeah, I have some overhead lights. Let me turn them off really quick. Okay, and let me just check for these Brookstonies really quick. And it's right here. It's connecting. And it says connected for calls, audio, and it's 80% battery remaining. Now, let me go to this app that I usually use for voice recording. I think it's Dolby on right here. And let me record some audio really quick. I think it's on right here. And now it should be technically on and going. 1, 2. And right now we should be on and going. And let me see if it works. Yes, it does work. Okay, so let me say something to the microphone and see how that sounds. Okay, and right now we are talking to this beautiful microphone right here and see how the sound comes out. Let's hope it makes sense. And I'm gonna play it back to you guys right away. Boom. Okay. See how the sound comes out. Let's hope it makes sense. And I'm gonna play it back to you guys right away. As you heard, that sound came from the actual headphones themselves that you just heard right now. Not probably the best sound you've ever heard, but these are really great headphones. If you're in the market for these kind of headphones or this style that I call usually and maybe wrongfully trucker headphones, because that's who I see mostly having these kind of headphones. But with that said, I just hope you like this video, and I'll leave some links in the description below so you guys can go check out some headphones that I personally use, and if I can find the exact Brookstones that we saw in this video, I'll leave them too. And with that said, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!